So this video is to show everyone how to set up this digital speedometer right here. These are some Amazon speedometers. There's different variations, but they all look the same. This one specifically uses the cable, the mechanical cable that comes from the wheel already on the speedometer gear. So it connects right to it. Now the issue here is that when you do like 5 miles an hour, it's showing like 120 miles an hour because it's not calibrated. To get it going, well, you can switch from miles per hour and also kilometers. So this one specific, to switch it, you turn it on, you get your little needle going up and down there. It's on miles right now. If you press this button in the back right here and keep it held a few seconds, it will switch to kilometers. That's kilometers. Press it again, hold it, goes back to miles. Now to get to a setup mode, to get to the mode, you set up, turn it off, hold the button in the back. You can do it to it. Back on and hold it again. And it will bring you to the mode. It took me a while to get these numbers correct. I have to attach a GPS to the handlebars and drive and keep switching these numbers. So your first option here will be, it'll start with a four-digit number. I end up putting a 1451 in there. I did a bunch of different trials until I got the right one. And then you hold the button again, hold it for a little bit, and it will eventually switch to a number 2, which this one is a number of This is a number of cylinders you have. This is a 4-cylinder, so I put 4 to control your idle needle. Then the third one is also important for calibrating this thing. Press hold again, so it goes in. So I put number 4 as if it has 4 magnets. It doesn't have any magnets, but it determines the speed and all that stuff, so, and how fast you're going. The display. Hold it again, and this would be number 4, which is, I think that's a fuel meter. Don't have one, so it doesn't matter for this one. 5 would be, I think, resetting your. First, to reset your odometer, and that we're not going to use it. Just hold long press again, and it'll reset the whole thing, and the numbers will be dialed in. So the only ones you need to work on the most is number 1 and number 3. So the number I have entered number 1 plus the number I have entered number 3, and you keep going through it until you reset it, and you will get the correct speed as you're rolling down the road. And that's it. This is what is on right now. So one thing I forgot to mention also, so this is the speedo, what it looks like. So this is a cable one, so we don't use magnets in that sensor that goes on the wheel. It doesn't have that, but we still have to put a number of magnets used. I think it goes from 1 to 12. So I end up putting, I guess it tricks the system. I use 4. I just put a 4 in there, and I did this by attaching a GPS that showed my speed, my real speed versus what was going on here. So I would go back and forth, entering different numbers in small increments until I got the right one that matches with it. So that's where we're at, and I got the right number and the right mileage per hour. Also, if you switch to kilometers per hour, you get the correct one because it's actually calibrated. But as you can see, this is just this is for the mechanical one. I'm not sure what the ones that come with the sensor needs to be. I guess that would be more accurate because you would actually have to put a certain amount of magnets on your wheel versus so the sensor can pick up the speed and all that. But most bikes that I work with, like this one and this one, these all got these mechanical ones. I find these to be a lot easier to work with. So the only problem I had was getting the right numbers dialed in to be able to get the correct speed. But it took me about probably want an hour doing this back and forth until I figured out. I got it dialed in to like the exact same speed I was going on the GPS matched in here. Any questions, just post on the comments and I'll be glad to answer them.